To create a die, start with this template provided by Afinia. The design is typically done in Adobe Illustrator. CorelDRAW can also be used. The template includes all of the base dimensions. The location of the 4 alignment slots at the top are critical and should not be changed. In a new layer, add the cut shapes. Add the dimensions for the cuts. This includes the width, height, corner radius, and space between cavities. The recommended space between cavities is 6 mm, metric, or 0.25 inches, imperial. Included with the Afinia template is a description box. This includes details on the cut shapes, material that will be cut, and press information. Update this information for your die. The cylinder and machine type fields will not change. Also included in the template is a description of the cavity layout for the die. Edit as required. Once everything has been completed, save the file, typically as a PDF. Submit this file to your die manufacturer.